Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to remove the Instagram username from a video. First, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Then, tap on the Reels icon at the bottom of the screen to find the video you want. Now, tap on the paper aeroplane icon, the share icon under the reel. Then, tap on copy link to copy the video link. Now, go back and open Google Chrome on your phone. In the search bar, tap Instagram Reel Downloader and search. Now, tap on one of the links that appear in the results. Choose a safe and working website. Then, paste the link you copied into the box on the site. Next, tap on Download. Then, tap on Download Video to save it to your device. As you can see, the video is now downloaded without the Instagram username showing on it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.